Sorry if you hear the noise of the washer and dryer, but I literally, this is, yeah, I just put a load. So this is my little Target run that I did real quick. I got some game detergent, I have some bleach, I have some softener. I literally just picked these 3 up right now. And I got some of these towels because they were part of the spend 40 get 10. So these were the only paper towels that were in there. So I got the napkins. Let me get into the bag. So I got this as well. I'm going to clean the tops of my washer and dryer right now. I'm going to take this out of here. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna clean the backings of that right now. And so like I said, I had to spend $40. We had a $10 gift card, so I got the storage bags. I got some little trash baggies. I really love these Febreze Beachside Breeze little mini bags for your wastebasket. I use them for my bedroom and the bathroom. And then one more thing, I got this for my refrigerator outside because I need to replace it. Yeah. Oh, mine was like from last summer or something, so I didn't know you had to replace it every 30 days. That's weird. And it's, oh my gosh, you guys, it's open. Anyways, that's my little mini Target haul because I gotta go back because I gotta spend my $10 gift card. And they're also doing like get another $5 for the stuff that I need right now. So this is what I grabbed for my first Target haul. Yay! First time going into Target, and I'm so excited because yeah, I haven't been to Target and I don't even know, maybe like a year. I don't know, because usually I just like do like the pickup and stuff. So yeah, let's go get some Target supplies. I don't even know what I need. I have a whole list, so hold on. Let's go to the things. What is it called? The shelves? Oh my god, I don't even know. Look where I'm going. I already have some now. Yeah, anyways, we'll just shop together. I don't know what I need. Oh, let me get some hairspray. I wanted some Aussie hairspray, but I also wanted a Kenra hairspray, but I also wanted this comb through finishing mist. But oh, here's the palette. Oh my goodness, you guys. No, I think I'm gonna get let me see. What should we get? Let me see. Oh yeah, I found it. This one I think I was using for so many years, but I think I'm just gonna try this one because they don't have the volume. Yeah, let's grab one of these. Oh shit. Oh my gosh, I wanted to do this hair mask that I also used to do for my curly hair and to make it like super long. Look at this giant coconut oil. That is so giant. But yeah, I think I have to look up, you know what, no, I think it's this one. Unrefined virgin coconut oil. I honestly wish they had like a half jar, but I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and one more thing for my hair mask. I need brown eggs. I'm so happy they have the half because I have like an 18 pack at home. So all I need is this. So I was already in the store and I was not gonna have them bring that out. So yay! Thank you so much. Have a good day. So it's so cold, so I was like, whatever. Oh, you can go out these doors too. That's confusing. Yay guys, I'm so excited. Yay. Let's go do a haul. Actually, let's go spend our $15 in credit and do another Target pickup. Because I want some Valentine's Day candy. What is up, you guys? We are finally back and we are gonna quickly go over my little Target haul. Okay, today's Thursday. It literally marks the 2nd week of me being sick straight. We are rocking the millennial. I don't know, my hair just side parts, okay? It's not my fault. It's just the way that it works. And even though I like brush it like tightly, just put it back and stuff, which is not good for your edges. But we just take vitamins and we just get this thick hair that I haven't done curly in so long. I have not put any curly hair products in my hair for so long, and it's driving me nuts because I got that Dyson blow dryer for the diffuser, because I honestly, I don't care. Like, I will go to Cosmoprof and I will get like one of the best blow dryers that they use in a hair salon. I never really was a fan of the Dyson, but literally had videos like sending me nonstop, and then I seen all the stuff that I could get with getting a Dyson, and so I just like was like, okay, well, let me try it for my curls at least, because I'm going through this like little hair journey. I haven't really put any kind of heat in it. This is how I leave it. It's probably been like a week since I washed it. I don't know if I was sick. That's bad when you don't know when you wash your hair. It's winter time. I don't really care to wash my hair. I don't get dandruff. I don't get dry hair. I don't get oily hair. I don't know. It's just, I'm very much so mixed, and I miss my curly hair. So we're gonna do a quick little Target haul. And so yeah. So as you can see, I have this stuff that I showed you in the previous clip. So I got my $10 gift card. I thought I was gonna use it, but I saved it because then I seen that Target was doing a $5 gift card if you got the 4 items, which I'm gonna show you right now. I was watching so many, well, I watched religiously Saray, and she and her boyfriend got essentials, and I was like, oh my goodness, this Christmas like really was like a bummer because I didn't get anything. I didn't do anything. Like I said, I literally got so sick 2 days before Christmas. So I got sick on the 23rd of December, and it is now January 6th. So I was like literally using the last of my deodorant. I'm using the stick, and I'm taking the little stick from the inside and going like that to my underarms, and using like the tiniest bit of aerosol Dove underarms aerosol spray or whatever. So yeah, so I thought I'd go back to using clinical strength. I used to use this all the time, and I was like, I really want to use it again. So here's this. Let's wait for my washer to be done doing whatever it's doing. I'll come right back. Okay, seems like it's a little quiet, but I know it's gonna start draining. Anyways, okay, so part of this other 4 items that you pick from and you get a $5 gift card, I got my favorite mouthwash. It's Brilliance Whitening Mouthwash. It works amazing. And then I got my winter body wash. So I like to use retinol stuff in the winter time when the sun isn't super potent in the summer. And so I got my Olay body wash. Hold on. Well, it's not really making that much craziness. And then the 4th item that I got was this, and this. I got shavers. And then this was $2.99, so it's a curl mousse, and this was $2.99. So I have a curl cream coming tomorrow, but since I was like gonna get all these hair supplies, I just wanted to try this one from a drugstore brand. So it's Not Your Mother's Curl Defining Cream, and so that's why I bought like a mini one, because I bought a big tub of curling cream from Ulta. So yeah, so that was that. So I got my $5 gift card, and you know about my $10 gift card. So I'm about to go back to Target app and buy a bunch of Valentine's Day candy with my $15. Okay, so Now, when I went inside Target, this is why I told you I woke up with my monthly, so I needed pads, and I was like, okay, well, the washer sounds so crazy. Hold on. Oh, yeah, I needed those, and I didn't want them to shop for me. I just wanted to pick out the size box that I wanted and the specific one that I wanted, and I just wanted to get it because I needed to get other stuff. So, where am I? That's what I got. I got pads, and that's why I went inside Target, and they let me get my drive-up order inside. So I got a bath sponge while I was at the Minis getting a hand sanitizer. So I got a bath sponge for my Olay body wash. And then, but the first thing that I got was this hairspray. I don't know, I totally forgot how to shop, you guys, because I grabbed the first one off the shelf. I'm like so used to, and look at oh my god, it's like the Cat in the Hat with Mike Myers. It's like, sign. So wait, I love how it smells. It smells so yummy. Okay, so I got that for my hairspray, and I got these 3 items because I wanted to do like this curly hair mask that I used to always do like twice a month, and we're gonna start doing that. We will do it probably today because I haven't. I just want to do my curly hair already because tomorrow I'm gonna get my new big giant Bondi Boost curling cream tomorrow. So yeah, I don't know, whatever. So I got these brown eggs, so I'm gonna use 2 for my hair because it's like a lot. It's like a lot of hair, and by this summer it's gonna be like down here, I hope. Let's see, so I got eggs, and I got unrefined coconut oil. And then I love sesame oil in my hair ever since I seen the Kardashians go to that one temple spa. And then they were like just laying on the bed, and there was like this big thing, and then they just poured the oil on it, and it just like streamed oil right here. Oh my goodness. So I looked it up what they used, and it was sesame oil, hot sesame oil. And the last thing that I got while I was walking to the because my washer's annoying, the last thing that I got were these shavers, and these are so good. I was wondering where I had gotten them. I used them all, and I seen these like last minute before I hit the corner to go pay, and I was like, oh my gosh, these are so good. So yeah, that is my, actually that's a big Target haul. So I was gonna add like what I got with my $15 gift card to the end of this video, but since there's like so much in here, I'm just gonna make that another Target video, and I'll look cute that day and stuff, and then we'll go pick up the Target order, and we'll eat like a bunch of candies and stuff and snacks and cookies. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys are having a wonderful beginning of the new year. I hope you guys have so many plans for the rest of your winter, for your spring, for your Valentine's Day, for the end of January. There's 3 weeks left of January until February. I can't wait. I'm counting down. I have my awesome calendar that I got from Amazon, and it just makes me so happy. I hope you guys are staying safe, being well, being happy, and just spreading love and positivity. I love you guys so much. Bye.